Hey guys, welcome back. So today it's a beautiful day. 60 degrees I think is the high. Right now it's like 57 or something like that. It's a little windy out, but not too bad. But anyway, I got to run down and bring the spring cows back, or the dry cows. There's a one beef in there that I got to sort off. I got to take it in this afternoon to get to the locker. It's going to get butchered, so I got to get her separated, pulled off. And then I also want to bring them in anyway. Their stockpiled forage is getting a little thin out there, but they're all heifers. What's left out there's 9 heifers that are going to calve here beginning of, they should start somewhere the first week in April into May probably, but I want to bring them all in because they're all heifers. They've never been milked before, and so I want to get them in and start getting halters on them and get them broke and get them used to me, because I want to make sure that's done by the time they're calving, because I don't want to be messing with that, with trying to milk them and break them and train them all at the same time. So that's kind of what I'm going to do today, is run down, grab them. First I got to take the fresh cows, pull them off their little paddock I've got them on, because I'm going to run the dry cows through there when I bring them up. I want to keep them separated for now, but I got to bring the fresh cows back up, put them in a little pen, and then I'm going to run down and grab the dry cows and bring them back, and then sort off that beef, get her loaded on the trailer, and then I got to take her into the locker. And I think that's probably it for this afternoon, because by the time I get done doing all that, it's going to be time to do chores and milk again. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on. All right, come on. Get going, big boy. Come on, girls. That was too easy. That was way too easy. Well, that was pretty easy. I got them all the way back up here. Didn't have any issues. Nobody tried to escape. Nobody tried to jump over any fences, nothing like that. So now I'm gonna run. I got that that beef loaded, so I'm gonna run her over to the locker. That's gonna take me a couple hours, but I gotta get that done. They're gonna process her in the morning. So I gotta get that done, and then by the time I get back, it's gonna be time to do chores and milk. All right, we just got her unloaded. Now we're gonna head home. Well, we made it back before dark. Got the heifer dropped off at the locker, and it's getting dark, so I think this is gonna be the end of the video because I gotta get chores done and get ready to start milking here. But if you're still watching, I really appreciate it. Hopefully you found it interesting. I'm just trying to kind of show you guys what we do here on the farm, a little bit of the life of what we do every day, things that we have going on. And it's not always the same thing. There's a lot of random stuff that happens here. But anyway, I appreciate all the support. Any comments or questions or anything, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. I'll get to anything you put down there. I'll respond to. But and also we plan on making quite a few videos, so hit the subscribe button, and if you found what I'm doing here interesting, go ahead and give us a like too. We'd really appreciate that. It helps us out quite a bit. So anyway, until next time, we'll see you soon.